Hi Professor, today I am going to present my final presentation of data manipulation techniques and my topic is education. I have downloaded a data from the data.ontario site, which is a very trustworthy site. And In this data there is everything included: board number as well as board name, board education type, and there are many other variables. Grade 6 and its progress, grade 10 and its progress. But what is more interesting to me, which is foremost for me, is like I was interested to find the graduation rate of the student of 4 year and 5 year students. See, this is the 4 year graduation rate and 5 year graduation rate and their progresses. So I was very much interested to find the graduation rate. So I have selected a topic in that manner only. I will show you how I have made the pivot chart in it and what the pivot chart is giving us. See, this is a very interesting pivot chart, and I have used four variables in it: graduation, 4 year graduation rate, progress in 4 year graduation rate, 5 year graduation rate, and progress in 5 year graduation rate. See, everything is written over here in the data. Blue is 4 year graduation rate, and its progress in 4 graduate is red color. Green is 5 year graduation rate, and its progress is in purple color. So what we can see is I have made the trend line as well on it. See, from the trend line, it can be seen that graduation 4 year graduation rate is increasing and 5 year graduation rate is increasing, but in them progress is stagnant as compared to last year. So it is not increasing abruptly or sharply, it is just increasing with a it is just increasing slightly, as the slope of the trend line is very less. And in the progress it is just flattened. We can see any data by clicking here. We can, the this 5 year is on the top because it has one more year added. 4 years on the less because it has 1 year less. See, it is following almost the same data: up, down, down, down. Both are following almost the same trend. Fine. I have also found, as my data have many variables, I have also found one more thing, two more things, sorry. I have found the uh, reading result of grade 6 and grade 10, and have also added their trend line. We can see the grade 10 result is on the top as compared to the grade 6 result. And these are of different city schools. Like these are like London, Kitchener, Oshawa. We are asked to do only one pivot chart, but this data was making me interest in this. So I was making more and more pivot chart to find the trend in the data set, to find the how the schools are like distributed. So I was very interested in that. So I have found three. Uh, this is a this is a grade 10 sum of credits of grade 10 by district name and board type. Like blue is public schools and red is Roman Catholic schools, and these are district names. So this we can see. Now moving further, I have also done the visualization by Matplotlib and PyPlot using pandas. First of all, what I did is what first of all, I have imported the data set, which is in the form of Excel sheet, and data is here. Then I took the data information, how it is, board number, name, language. This is object or float. After that, I have removed all NA values. Then I have plotted the data using Matplotlib, but this was very like we are not able to read the x-axis, so I have made little changes. I have made them 90 degree. Sorry, 90 degree. Yes. So these are readable now. So after this, what I did. I have used this Matplotlib for visualization. I have checked my data, shape. See, this I use Seaborn and it's look really very beautiful. How everything is well managed. See, the red is English, sorry, blue is English and orange is French. And we can see these are the district names. There's a graduation rate of 5 year. As I am very interested in the graduation rate, so I have applied most of the things and most of the tasks on graduation rate. Some are there on grade 6 and grade 10 as well. See how the in this district this is after that from here to here we have English school. After that we have French, more graduation rate of French. Then this in OW Ochoa, less graduation rate of English from 0.75 to 0.90 and more is of French. But in French there is less people. See, that's why its shape is like this. And in this there are more people. It look really very, very beautiful for really very beautiful to me, and my data was very very beautiful as I have cleaned everything, as I have managed it to do of this type. Moving further, I have made a pie plot. Oh, see how it look like. This is same I made on the Excel sheet. I have made using PyPlot. We can see 4 year graduation rate in orange color, 5 year graduation rate in green color. Then progress in 4 year graduation rate in blue color and progress in 5 year graduation rate in purple color. It shows the same. It follows almost the flatten. It means the 4 year and 5 year graduation rate are not increasing. There is a there is a see, it is stagnant. It is constant. It is going only in a straight line. And here also, trends are up, down, up, down, up, down. But a basic trend is not increasing. And it is increasing with a very less slope, as I have shown with the help of trend line in the Excel sheet. I have also used one more scatter plot chart in PyPlot, and it's look really very beautiful. Yeah, enchanting. It's really enchanting. This is the reading result of grade 6 and it is its progress. So how the data is spread over here in the region, what it's showing us, it is basically a straight line as well. It is not showing any trend, not showing any trend to me. It is just straight. It means that we and our authorities should focus on education. Even the grade 6 is of school students and graduation rate is of college student. So in the school as well as in the college, in both the places, the students are not studying that much. They should study. So our authorities and our government should focus on their studies so that this flattened trend should be like this, should be sharply or abruptly increasing. That can help that can help in the future of their students. If they are not studying in school, so how they will study in the college? So it is of that. In school it is also flattened and in college also it is flattened. So they should really take care of that. And I have also made a dashboard using Power BI. I'll show. This is my dashboard. I want to this is my dash. I want to increase its fine. So these are many different factors which we can use and make a dashboard. See how beautiful the dashboard looks like. And I just added different things according to my data. We can add anything from here. We can choose anything. So I have chosen the board number, district names, which can be used in the form of states, and grade 6 reading result and graduation rate as well in it. Okay, so like if I randomly click anywhere on here, suppose if I want to find, let me, yeah, suppose I want to find the result of any board number randomly, and we also want to show it on the map. See, I just clicked here, board number this, and primary class size 20 student or less. It's and it has shown it's in Kitchener, and here also it is showing Kitchener, and it goes is 0.81. So how beautiful it is. We can choose anyone. I have chosen this, and the see, and the map moves to Hawkinsburg, and it is showing here also the board number. Fine. Uh, Sky blue is grade 6 reading result, and dark blue is primary class size with 20 or less students. We can choose any factor from here. Our dashboard will not have any effect. It will just show us the data as it is. But see, if I want this one, it has shown Peterborough here, and in this also somewhere it might be having. I just need to make it down, down, down. Here it is. See, board number B67067 here also, and here also it will show Peterborough grade 6 Peterborough. Fine. So it is just a visualization of my data set. Mm, So basically, in the conclusion, I would like to say that as I have studied the many factors of my data set, I have studied thoroughly, I have analyzed, I have visualized. So the in the conclusion, what can I say is uh, the government or the schools are not that much taking care of the students and not that much focusing, so that the graph which is the graph which is stagnant the graph which is stagnant or not having much trend should be trendy. It should have slope. It should have more and more slope. So that's the reason the government should focus. And if like I want to find the trend of the next cities or the next level, so I can change the value of x. This is the equation of trend line. Y is equal to 0.0161. So I can change the value of y or x, whatever is independent. I can put the value of that in this, and I can find the another one independent variable. Okay, so that is all of my final presentation in the data manipulation techniques. I have manipulated the data in different ways. This is my last assignment or last presentation with Professor Rick. So uh, my semester is going to end. So I would like to say that this was the best subject I have studied. I have learned a lot from Professor Rick Lambroof, and he is one of the most professional professor I have ever met. the best teachers. So I would like to say I want to have teachers like you. Thank you, sir.